Hello, Rogers. Now, this is our ATC type CNC router. And there are 80 sets of ATC CNC router with different working size in producing in our workshop now. This is the standard size, 1325, 1325 type. And this machine have finished producing and waiting for delivery now. Hello, Rogers, this is 1325 working bed structure and waiting for installing now. You can see there are two layers for the ATC CNC router. Now this CNC router is waiting for installing now. This is also this is a 1530 size ATC CNC router. You can see the working bed structure is here and also waiting for installing now. This is a 2130 size CNC router. This is very almost this CNC router is very similar size of your working size. You can see this CNC router also waiting for installing now. But the spindle have installed there. This is also a 2130 size CNC router. The spindle is not our standard spindle. Our standard spindle is a GST 9 kilowatt spindle, but this is HQD brand, and the spindle watt is 7.5 kilowatt. This is a finished ATC CNC router. The size is 1530. You can see this two magazine is at the side of the machine. When this beam working, this two magazine will move in as this beam. And this is our standard spindle. You can see it's GST 9 kilowatt spindle. Rogers, this two-set machine is also large size ATC CNC router, and this size is 2130 size. They are for the same customers.